Finally, I open one-to-one coach, provide you with a fully understanding about the chart movement. When you join the program, follow after first class, we will follow up with you for the first week, second week, and once per month. Checking call to make sure you are accountable and keep you on the right track throughout your journey. As for now, I taught over 300 students. Our average student took around 5 days up to 1 month to fully understanding the engulfing system and full SOP. Because the SOP is very easy to remember, our target for the new student at least achieve $200 up to $1,000 per month consistently. Price one-time fee of 950 ringgit for Malay language and $350 for the English language. The syllabus part, here you basically learn how to choose engulfing, how to choose multi-time frame, how to understanding about the direction and storyline, full understanding about the SOP, how to find entry and exit or cut loss, how to understanding scalping setup, use your brain with money management, set up your future plan, but also what mindset you need and how to adopt in order to success in this trade, how to prepare yourself mentally. Every single week we're going to have multiple live coaching, 1 hour call about the market on that day, and ask your questions and apply what we teach you to settle your mistake. Today is your best investment. This offer available for 10 packs only. Come and learn into the roadmap, the choice in your hand. So if you want to learn, please contact our admin because we just open for 10 packs only. Thank you. See you on the roadmap. Assalamualaikum. Bye bye.